The LG Dual Inverter AC CH10 error code indicates a fan malfunction in the indoor unit. This issue can be caused by a faulty connection of the fan, blocked spinning, or a faulty PCB board. To resolve this error, it is necessary to inspect the indoor unit fan connection and operation. Start by turning off the outdoor unit. Then separate the indoor unit's filter and grill to assess if the fan's harnessing is properly done. Repair and replace any connections as needed. Next, turn the fan to check its rotational state and remove any items that may be obstructing its spinning. Additionally, inspect the PCB and wire harnessing by removing the indoor unit's side panel and unmounting the control box's cover to access the PCB board. Disconnect the fan harness from the PCB. Turn the unit on, and measure the phase-to-phase resistance across the terminal block where the fan harnesses connect. Normal readings are District of Columbia 310V and 15 volts across terminals 1 and 5 against 4, respectively. Remove the PCB and check for carbonization on its rear side, inspecting for any damage or issues. If necessary, replace the PCB to resolve the error.